My name is Dr. William Odion, a financial coach and the CEO, ProbabaEA Consults. ProbabaEA Consults has been in existence for 4 years, but officially 3 years. At ProbabaEA Consults, we help brokers grow their business in Africa. We also have an online academy, which is the ProbabaFX Academy, where we educate individuals around the globe on how to become profitable in the financial market. We also have EA services we sell that has helped a lot of individuals around the globe become profitable. Well, it's been an incredible journey so far. I have mentored over 10,000 students around the globe online that are now profitable forex traders. In 2022, I was one of the awardees for business creativity, innovations, and quality service delivery, organized by African Brands on Silverbird Television. In 2023, I was awarded Best Forex Strategies Analyst at the Trading Influencers Award held in Cyprus. I was also awarded Best Forex Consultant of the Year at the 2023 All-Screen Award. The goal is to keep pushing and to keep growing, but I'm proud of how far I've come. Trade Meet Music is a combination of financial education, forex, cryptocurrency, and music. This is a revolutionary concept of creating awareness in cryptocurrency, forex, and blockchain technology. The goal is to generate more awareness and to educate people on forex, cryptocurrency, and the adoption of blockchain technology.